when one does a hajj, they have to be there on specific dates. They have to be in Arafat on the 9th of Dhul Hijjah, and then stay in Mina for 3 more days or 4 more days, the 10th, and then the 11th and 12th, or the 11th, 12th, and 13th. So those are specific dates of the person they can do the hajj. They don't do it at any time, like the umrah. Now the question comes up, what does it mean by the months of hajj, ashhurul hajj? And what happens is people, when they do the hajj, many people, they do the umrah first, and then after doing the umrah, they do the hajj afterwards, and that's considered to be a hajj. Even though it's both things, they call that a hajj as well. Hajj tamattu or hajj kiran, that's what that's referred to. In terminology, that's referred to the hajj. So what happens is the months of hajj is when you can start that umrah, not necessarily on the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, but the times before that, and then that would be considered part of the hajj. And what that is in the months of Shawwal, the month after Ramadan, and the month of Dhul Qiddah, and the early days of Dhul Hijjah. So that's what it means by the months of hajj, because a person, they can start that by doing the umrah at that time, and then wait until the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, 9th of Dhul Hijjah, to do the hajj rituals by itself. So that's what they mean by the months of hajj. Now what happens if a person does the umrah in Ramadan, then that's not considered to be a month of hajj, so it's not considered to be part of the tamattu hajj. It's considered to be 2 different things, a umrah and a hajj. But if you start after that in Shawwal, then it's considered, and then you do the hajj in the same year, then it's considered part of the hajj tamattu. And that's what they mean by the term, the months of hajj, the ashhurul hajj. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And again, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions this in the Quran, al-hajju ashharu malumat. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.